Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have the 2018 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. Ironically, I've driven all kinds of cars. I have never driven a Navigator up until this point. So this was pretty cool. We got this in on trade yesterday, and I'm like, I gotta check this thing out. So it will be for sale. I have no idea how long it's gonna last. We obviously still have to run this through the shop and detail it, but I was like, just in case it sells, I've never done a video on a Navigator. I am absolutely going to do a video on this thing. Check it out. There's your rear audio screen. Wow, this thing is sweet. 3.5 liter turbocharged V6, 430 some odd horsepower, 510 pound-feet of torque, according to quick research done yesterday. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. I forgot how cold it was outside. It is 47 degrees out, and I am in shorts. So that's pretty cool. Little mirror for your rear seat passengers. Gauge cluster, very minimalistic. Bunch of different drive modes for this. Excite, conserve, normal with 4x4 and auto, slippery, deep conditions, or slow climb. So I think you guys should know this is based on the same platform as the Ford Expedition, which we do have one of those. This is pretty cool. So the armrests are tied into the lid, and that all goes up here. Tons of storage underneath this cubby. Same is true for the one in the back. You can individually adjust each leg on the seat. So if you like to have one leg close to you, one leg spread out, you can set the seat up for that. Revel Ultima sound system is absolutely spectacular. Such a good sound system. This one has, I'm trying to remember the sticker off the top of my head, technology pack, the perfect position seats. Oh gosh. So it's a, and heavy duty trailer tow, which obviously gives you the trailer backup and all that fun stuff. You do have parallel parking and everything, so if you want, you can oh no, I don't want that. Hold on. So to get you out of a parallel spot, shift to drive. It's gonna get me out of a parallel park spot. Because there's nothing here, it's gonna be like, oh, you got this. So that's that. We are in Excite, which is Lincoln's version of Sport. One thing I noticed about this 3.5 is it's very diesel-like. What do I mean? It's low-down torque city. So you really don't have to dig for passing power, which is, I think, part of the luxury experience. You know, you think of Rolls-Royce, stuff like that. It's not luxurious to floor it everywhere. It's fun, but it's not luxurious. What is luxurious is having power that you don't need to display. You just kind of, oh, it's there. Although some people's version of luxury is exuberant amounts of power shown to everybody, but that's a political joke that I'm gonna leave alone. So but this thing is sweet. I absolutely love it. I am very impressed, especially for a 2018. Things got only 45,662 on the miles. Yeah, it's sweet. 20 speaker sound system. you know, this is a car that I'm kind of regretting having to give back today. I might take the long way into work. This thing is sweet. I love it. Thank you, good Cobalt. One thing I noticed too is how quiet this thing is. You can't hear the outside world at all. Big, heavy SUV, very tall, all things to make physics work against you. And it's not half bad. You know, the four-wheel drive system in Sport uses the front wheels to kind of claw its way out of corners. You know, and when you have this much torque that's pretty readily available, I'm not begging for more power. It's adequate. It's really, really, like I said earlier, luxurious. Ironically, I didn't hear this in the Expedition. I do hear it in this. It has burbles. They're not loud by any stretch of the imagination. But what I do hear is when I lift, I hear a little blubble. You know, it really is kind of crazy what you get for the money with this thing, because I don't know exactly what we're going to price it at. I obviously know what I put on the car as a trade-in, but this should be right around, if not under, 50 grand. And for what you get for that price point, yes, these are stupid expensive new, especially now. But the thing with luxury cars, mainstream luxury cars, is they depreciate. So you end up getting technology that back in 2018 was state-of-the-art and still is good technology now for a much cheaper price point, because buyers of luxury vehicles want the latest and greatest. So everybody's chasing that newest, greatest. And you have cars like this that a couple of years old, but technology is still awesome, and they're still great luxury cars. And I think you got to take advantage of the fact that some people are chasing the latest and greatest, and you have some pretty good bargains out there, and this is one of those. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.